In this video, we're gonna see how we can set up CodeGPT in VS Code. So without getting any delay, let's get started. First, you need to open VS Code and go to the extension and search for CodeGPT. Okay. Once you search CodeGPT, the first option which appears, you just need to install this extension in your system. So I have installed this in my system. Next, feature contribution and click on API key. Okay, once you click on API key, it will open an external browser which is openai.com, where you can generate an API key. Okay, so I've clicked and copy this API key. Next, go back to the VS Code and go to the setting, comment palettes, and search here set API key for CodeGPT. Okay, and paste the API key here. It will show as API key is saved successfully in your system. Developer reload window. Click on the setting and go comment palettes and search here developer reload window. Okay, it will reload your window once again, and the extension is successfully set in your system. Next, open, create new file. Okay, and name the file. I'll replace it. Okay, next, what we need to do, click on setting, comment palettes, and click on CodeGPT, ask a question. Okay, if you don't find, you can search here CodeGPT ask question. Okay, you can ask any kind of question. So I'm gonna ask add to string. Okay, it is searching and I am thinking extension is using here. You can see the output in Python. String 1 equal hello and string 2 equal world, and it concatenated to a string. Okay, which is the output as hello world. Okay, in this way you can get the code with the help of CodeGPT in your VS Code. Okay, so next what we can do, you can use this code in your any file you want. Okay, I'm gonna search new question. Directly you can search from here itself. Okay, add to number. Okay, once you enter add to number, okay, it is showing us I am thinking. So the code is incomplete, the text is incomplete, please provide me the complete requirement. Okay, next, give the two number as 10 and 20. Okay, and press Ctrl Shift and I, it will start thinking and it will give you the complete output. Okay, you can see here it has taken x equal 10, y equal 20. After concatenation, adding two numbers, it has provided me the output as 30. Okay, in this way you can get the output with the help of CodeGPT in VS Code. Okay, so you can take the use of this extension and solve any kind of code. Okay, you can see here CodeGPT chat option is available, where you can ask any kind of questions, add the two numbers 10 and 20 and send. Okay, it will provide you the complete code. Number 1 equal 10, number 2 equal 20, and it has done in Java. Okay, in this way you can generate any kind of output. Okay, with the help of CodeGPT. Fine, you can see, and if required you can easily copy and paste it in VS Code. Okay, so I'm gonna search new question, write complete code in Java. What it's gonna search, see, this is the complete code which it has provided me with the help of CodeGPT extension. Fine, so if you find this video helpful, click on the like button, and if you are new to this channel, you can subscribe this channel. See you in the next video.